new 2019 Mustang GT. Now, I think this is one of the first mods every single S550 owner should do, especially if you really like your storage, and if you like your phone being really close and not in the damn cup holders, because let's just face it, cups go in there, not your phone. So you might be thinking, well, what the heck are you talking about? This little guy right here, we're gonna see what's going on. Okay, so let's open it up and just remove all that, and boom. You will thank me for this, because this is awesome and amazing. Okay, so we're gonna take it off and we're going to install it. Are you ready, kids?
Gotcha, bitch.
Now, I had these before in my last one, and they moved around. This brand actually fits pretty freaking awesome. Look at that. And just to show you, here's my work phone. Boom. Like a champ. Anything goes in there. Seriously. It could be your mail, it could be change, whatever, your key fob. It all fits in there, and it's awesome. On my last GT, my 2015, I had these. Like I said, they were a different brand, a little bit cheaper. I definitely recommend this brand right here. Go check them out. It's Top Doll. Go check them out. It's super simple, easy. Obviously, I'm done putting my mod in, and I'm happy because it's something I know I can use. It was only 15 bucks on Amazon. I can put the link in the description, but I mean, honestly, you guys can figure it out on your own. But just to make sure you're getting the right brand, I'll go ahead and put the link in the description. And that's it, guys. A quick 2-3 minute video. I don't know if I'm going to throw this in a mix of something else that I'm doing, but that's pretty much it. First mod of the new 2019 Mustang. Super simple, super easy, yet super usable and affordable. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in for this quick little video. I just wanted to put something out so y'all can see what I'm doing to the new car, even though, again, this is super freaking simple and it's not really worth noting. I thought it was actually pretty cool to get this out there, because a lot of people actually don't know that exists and probably wish that they could put something there in that little cubby space. So if you have these, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of them, what brand you have. If you've never seen this before and this is something you're interested in, again, leave me a comment. Let me know how you like the product once you get it, if you get it, or if you just thought this was a waste of time, which most of you will probably think, because you'll probably be thinking, oh man, he's gonna put a new performance mod on his shit. Nah, bruh. Anyway, peace.